Morning, greetings, and salutations, YouTube. It's Hadrian here. Welcome to another episode of the vlog. I just finished cooking breakfast. I'm going to show you guys. So I made corned beef and onions, which is super delicious, and trying out a new soup, which is right there. So excited to try that out as well. But now it's time to eat. Also, I'm still living for this bowl. I love it so much. It looks so cool. I like the way the marble looks with it. I think it just looks really, really nice. So I'm very excited for this bowl. Oops, super zoomed in. Also, it's still been raining. I think the raining stopped for right now. And I think it actually is not gonna rain for the next few days, but it's gonna rain again. I think starting in the middle of the week through the weekend. John, are you gonna try the scooter thing?
I already did. This is me right. Too fat.
Mom's in the kitchen. She's making pizza. It's a little while later. Mom's making some pizzas over there. Who ate the most pizza? Whoa! Ooh, the pizza looks so yummy. Yasmin's trying out. Yo, you don't even have to put. You just do that, and it just goes by itself. Yeah. Oh, I didn't even know that.
Watch me.
Eliza, watch your mommy. That's how you're doing. You're supposed to do it. Okay? Yasmin's like a professional. She could be in the commercial. All right, can you guys go?
Yes.
Whoa!
Okay,
Go, Eliza! Oh, you guys are gonna fall! Guys, we went live on YouTube and Instagram, and we're finishing up the last of the pizzas, and they look so good. There's one right there that we're gonna take out right now, and this is the last one that we're gonna be putting in. Hey guys, okay, so I am wiped out. I am in my room. I just finished filming my haul videos from this past weekend, and oh my gosh, Mom made pizza tonight. It was so much fun. I did go live twice on YouTube and then once on Instagram, and it was so much fun chatting with you guys on there. And I know that when I was on YouTube trying to live stream, the quality was not the best, and I figured out why. For some reason, like, that area of the house kind of has like a weak internet connection, so unfortunately it didn't really work out too well with the quality of the video. So I have my IT guy working on that, and by IT guy I mean John. So we're gonna figure something out for that side of the house. And that's like, we always get like, I don't know, like the internet signal is always really bajiggity right there for some reason. I don't know if it's because it's the kitchen or something, the oven, microwave, no clue. But it was still so much fun regardless, and for those of you guys that were able to tune in, thank you so much. That was so much fun. I can't believe I've been going live. I went live twice in the past, or how many times in the past 2 days? Like 4 times. That's crazy. But those of you who were able to join and liked it, thank you so much. And I know I got a lot of comments and messages too from people saying that they didn't even get notified that I was live. So again, I urge you guys to turn on those post notifications on YouTube and on Instagram, because I am trying to do both, because I know a lot of you guys like don't always see notifications, and some people are more on YouTube or more on Instagram and whatever. So I'm trying to just include everyone on those 2 social platforms. And yeah, Mom had so much fun. It was so cute. She was like channeling her inner Ina Garden. So yeah, thank you guys for that. I'll definitely be doing more in the future, and I apologize for the state of the kitchen. Like, I honestly I don't even know what it looked like. So I guess John, Mom asked John to like put away the stuff inside the dishwasher, and he didn't know where anything went, so he kind of just put them all on the counter because she was putting other stuff in the dishwasher. And then, yeah, I don't know. So I guess it's real life. I wasn't able to clean up anything, so that it is what it is. I apologize for the mess. I can't believe you guys chastised me for that, so I apologize profusely for that. But It is what it is. I promise next time I will try to keep the kitchen a little tidier. And it usually is. But what else I was gonna say? Yeah, oh my gosh, so today, what did I do? I'm so sorry I didn't really film too much either today. I just got busy doing some other stuff that had to get finished up, and then what happened? Then I started trying to organize some stuff in the house, trying to organize my room a little bit. This year, I really want to do better in terms of getting things up in the shop. Sometimes I feel like I frustrate you guys a little bit with not posting everything as quickly as I could in there. And I really want to change that this year, so I want to do better, I promise. And I also want to clean out the garage some more, and clean out the storage unit, though the storage unit is doing a lot better ever since John and I kind of like did a mini overhaul on it this Christmas, and I think it's gonna be good. I think once I get like the garage cleared out, it's gonna be fantastic. So I'm hoping I can do that soon. The only thing is, it's been raining and I can't like do anything with the storage unit and like move anything until it stops, because then like all the boxes are gonna get wet and that would just be a hot mess. So I'm just gonna have to wait for the rain to subside, and then we can tackle that more fully. But until then, I'm gonna be concentrating on the inside of the house. I still want to like change up the decor in the house, and I've been kind of putting that off because I've been wanting to film more like kind of not how to, but like more like process videos for how I want to change up the decor a little bit and do some more stuff around like the in the kitchen, not the kitchen, the dining room, the living room, and the library, and also in the loft upstairs. So there's just a lot of stuff I want to do, and it's just like never enough hours in the day. It's already like almost like 11 o'clock right now, and I just finished filming these because I didn't get a chance to film during the day. So I hope you guys don't mind that today's vlog was not the most vloggy, but tomorrow I'm going to try and bring you guys to the Veterans Thrift, which I really want to do in the morning. So I'll probably drop off the boys at school and then try to go to the Veterans Thrift right afterwards and check that out. So that should be fun. And the only thing is, hopefully Eliza doesn't try to go with me. Because if Eliza goes with me, then I'm going to have to drop him off back at the house, and he's going to get mad because if I leave and he wants to go, and then he's not actually going to want to go to the thrift store, and that's just going to be a hot mess. So, yeah. But thank you guys again so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you guys had fun. Oh, let me see if any of you guys, you know what, I've been really bad at replying to comments on YouTube. Shocker. Again, that's another thing that I want to try to fix, but okay, so let's read some comments. Some of these are this one's from Homemade Pizza with Mom, so from today's live. Very blurry, I couldn't see John smiling. We'll get another opportunity for smiling. John, pizza looks good. I had to get a biopsy on the roof of my mouth. Oh my gosh. It was scar tissue from hot pizza though. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm sorry I'm laughing, but that honestly sounds like something that has and happened to me as well. So I feel you. That, yes. Oh, that mug looks like Kate Spade to me. Is that her on the mug? That was a comment from Gwen Scott. It's on an older video. Actually, that cup, I believe it's supposed to be Audrey Hepburn, because it's like the cup was Audrey Hepburn Breakfast at Tiffany's inspired. Though it does look like Kate Spade. Kate Spade does look like that too. She kind of like has the Audrey Hepburn look. So, but I think it is Audrey Hepburn. Oh, Gwen Scott also asked if she said, I forgot to ask you, do you sell your handbags? Will you please tell me your site? And so they can go and see them. Yeah, again, itsHadrian.com. It's in the link. It's linked down below in all my videos. Again, but you can just type in itsHadrian, just like it's spelled here, .com, and then there'll be a link to the shop there if you guys want to check that out. Oh, Cheryl Ross, she commented on the homemade pizza video as well. Seems like mom cooks all day. Everything always looks so delicious. I would love to live there just enjoying her cooking. Oh, and thrift video. Oh, thank you so much, Cheryl. I think I totally saw you in the video too and commenting, so thank you for that. Shelly Etherington, I love vintage linens, but I worry about bed bugs. You know what? I never actually thought about that, but I haven't really bought any vintage linens. Usually the things that I buy are from like the new from Target things, but I always wash everything intensely, but I know bed bugs are really hard to get rid of. I honestly don't know. If anyone knows, let me know down below in the comments. Gloria Evans, oh, you missed the live. Hope to catch next one. Thanks for sharing. You know what? Comment down below what times are best for you and what time zone you're in. So I've been doing lives like sporadically the past 2 days, and I've been trying to do like one in the I did a couple in the morning and then later on at night. So let me know what time is best for you guys, so I can try to like incorporate a live during those times for you if you guys are available. Jay Johnson says blurry, everyone is on Instagram. Yeah, again, I have to fix the internet. I apologize for how blurry it was. You guys are so sweet though. Oh, GTO Mama says, the Patagonia is probably merino wool. Very lightweight, yet warm fabric. Expensive too. I love Patagonia. The only Patagonia I own though is thrifted, and like it's just really great. So now I understand why it's so expensive. So I probably wouldn't want to pay retail price. I'm just gonna stick to trying to find it on in the thrift stores. Oh, also, okay, so this one, Patty John says, so sorry, Hadrian, I was having trouble watching this video. It was too jumpy. I love all your hauls and I watch everyone, but I just had to turn away from this one. Again, I'm sorry, hugs. Do not worry about that, Patty. I actually replied to your comment as well. But that was from the video when I went live at the thrift store. Those are just really difficult to film live because I'm like trying to look at the thrift store and walk and also read comments and talk all at the same time. So it's just like a lot of things going on at once, and it does get kind of shaky. So I do apologize for that. But another question I have for you guys is, do you guys like it when I go live at the thrift stores, or do you like it, do you prefer it when I'm like more like sitting down or like at home when I'm like not moving around too much? Let me know down in the comments below. I'll probably still do more lives in the stores and try that out some more and see if I can get better at it. But just like anything else, there's a little bit of a learning curve just because it's just like new. I'm used to just vlogging and holding the camera, which is a lot easier, and just like holding the phone, I think I need like maybe a thing to hold the phone with to make it easier. But that is going to be the end of the video. Thank you guys again so much for hanging out with me today. I know again that this was just a lot of sitting and talking, but I hope you guys can help me out and answer the questions that I asked you guys. So for future videos and live videos and live streaming and all that stuff. And also let me know if you guys prefer live videos on YouTube or if you prefer them on Instagram. That's another thing I would like to know from you guys. And I will definitely be doing both, but I want to know if you guys have like a preference. And yeah, so that is the end of the video. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Don't forget to check out this morning's thrifting video, and tomorrow's a new thrifting video goes up bright and early at 7, and then a new vlog goes up at 2. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye! Alright guys, check it out. I found this particular diffuser, the Shopper Signature Essential Oil Aromatherapy Diffuser. myself.